Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited to share a project that's really close to my heart, this tag mini album. It came together using the She Said Yes Deluxe Collector's Edition craft kit, and I've got to say, it's one of my favorite kits to work with. There's so much that you can do with it, and I can't wait to show you how I put this keepsake together. And what I love about this project is how customizable it is. You can use it as a keepsake for a wedding, an engagement, and even a special anniversary. It's also a very thoughtful gift idea for someone that you love. See? And it's just perfect for Valentine's Day, even Mother's Day, I think. The She Said Yes Deluxe Collector's Kit is packed with the prettiest papers and embellishments. Seriously, friends, everything is so beautifully coordinated. You've got patterned scrapbook papers, die-cut pieces, you've got bling, you've got flat backs, you've got metal embellishments. It's like a treasure chest for anyone who loves to craft. So when I started this project, I knew that I wanted something that felt timeless and special, and this kit made it so easy to achieve that. I used a bunch of the elements like the die-cut pieces, the lace trims, of course the papers, to give it that elegant shabby chic vibe. To make it even more personal, I added a few bits from my own stash, like the gingham ribbon, faux fabric flowers, and of course the chipboard, the neutral cardstock for the backgrounds. These little touches help tie everything together just the way I envisioned it. What's great about this kit is how versatile it is. I mean, this tag mini album could work as a wedding keepsake, a sweet Valentine's Day gift, or even something for Mother's Day. And I think it would also be perfect for a quinceañera theme. And there's just so many ways that you can make it your own. And that's what I love about crafting with kits like this. Putting this album together was so relaxing and fun. I layered some of the die-cut pieces with foam tape to add dimension, and for that extra shabby chic feel, I went ahead and played around with the art stones. You may be able to notice that here and there. And for the final details, I added things like the faux flowers, and of course you will notice at the top of each tag I added a flat back that came with the kit. And this was such a satisfying process to see everything just come together as I imagined it. I hope that this shabby chic album inspires you to try something like this for yourself. If you're curious about the She Said Yes kit or just want to see more projects like this, check out the description box below for all the details. And hey, if you're enjoying this video, it would mean so much if you gave it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications so that we can craft together again soon. Happy crafting, friends. Bye now.